Today, I'll show you the easiest way to create a coupon for your WordPress e-commerce site. So this is my online store powered by FluentCart, and when a customer adds a product and proceeds to checkout, they will see this coupon field where they can add the coupon, and here the discount will be added. Similarly, I'll also provide a comprehensive overview of the coupon panel, including an understanding of the coupon list table and its filtering capabilities. I'll also show you how to create a brand new coupon for your store. My name is Zakir, and if you are a new store owner, don't worry. This complete guide is simple to follow. Alright, let's do it. From the FlunetCart dashboard, just navigate to More Options. And as you can see, the coupon is in the drop-down. So let's tap on this, and it will display the coupon screen with all of your existing discount coupons. Now, let's create a brand new coupon in my FlunetCart store. For this, I'll click on the Add Coupon button, and a full page appears to configure a new one. So at first, insert a coupon title here. For example, I'll use Summer Clearance Sale. So this is for your reference, not visible to others. Well, you can either generate a random code by clicking on this or insert your coupon code here. So I'll name it Trend 10. All right. So when you are going to set up a new coupon in FlunetCart, you basically get two types of discounts to pick from. So let's decide on the discount type that you want to offer for the Trend 10 coupon. So there are multiple options. The fixed amount that will apply to a specific portion of the total order. And percentage coupons apply as a percentage-based discount from the total value. So for the Trend 10, I'll go with the fixed amount and specify the rate, which in this case $20. And coupon priority is optional. If you put a higher number, it will indicate a higher priority if multiple coupons can be applied. Okay, so now I'm almost ready to use this coupon, but let's verify it by going to a product checkout page. I'll apply this coupon, and if you notice, the total amount has been deducted from the actual amount. Now, let's apply a set of limits when customers spend a certain amount of money. So let's get back to coupon panel and choose the coupon, and just simply click on the edit from the action button. For that, you can see the section usage restrictions. I'll put a $50 minimum amount to be eligible for this coupon. And you can set the max cart value or leave it empty for no limit. So I'll keep it empty. So this way, the customer who meets the minimum spending amount can use this coupon. Anyway, if you want to be more specific, you can even choose which categories or products the coupon should work for and which ones it shouldn't. So it's totally up to you. So I'll only exclude this product for that coupon. Okay, so next I'm choosing how many times a customer can use this coupon. So let's go with 99 times. I think it's perfect. And the per customer limit is 1. So each person gets to use it just once. So that keeps things fair and manageable. Besides, if you want, you can make the coupon active immediately and let customers use it right away. Or if it's for a future sale, just keep it disabled until the time comes. Well, I'll write an internal note for myself here, like special seasonal discount for summer lovers. Now, let's make it clear that this coupon can be used with other coupons or can only be used by itself. So I'll stick with no, and it only applies by itself and does not work with other coupons. As well as we can set the time frame for this coupon, like the starting date and the expiry date. So let me set the starting date here, and here's the expiry date. So after this date, the coupon will be invalid. So let's update the changes and test the coupon. So I'll go to the product checkout page and put the coupon. Yeah, it worked. So if you notice, the total number has been deducted based on the coupon. As like that, you can create various types of coupons as you want. Okay, so as I have used this coupon a few times now on some products, so let's take a look at how it appears in the coupon panel, and along with I will give you a full overview of the coupon panel. So let's get back to the coupon panel page. Okay, if you take a close look, you can see this table provides the key information of each coupon at a glance. So let's understand a few of them. For example, I'm looking at the trend 10 coupon. The usage of the coupon shows the number of times this coupon was used versus its total limit. And stackable indicates whether this coupon is combined, yes or no. Also, you can edit the coupon easily from the Actions button or delete it if you want. Well, if you are running a big store, then you will have lots of coupons created. And it is also essential to know which coupons are active or inactive. So in that scenario, FlunetCart gives you the flexibility, to filter them. All coupons are selected by default. So when I tap on active, it only filters the coupons that are currently active and usable. While expired, disabled, or not yet active gets grouped under inactive. Because, FlunetCart makes this super simple. You can also search for any coupon by ID, title, amount, etc. And if you want to customize the view, just toggle the columns to show more or less info. You can even sort the list however you like. So in short, this is the page where you will get all the information about how many times the coupon has been used, until what time is the coupon valid, along with the status of the coupon and so on. This way you can track the most used coupons in your store and ensure the best promotional deals for your customers. So why wait? If you have been dreaming of launching your own store, now's the time. Grab FlunetCart and start building today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel and leave a comment below if you have any issues with the coupon. We'll read every comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.